Very good morning, students. Today we will start with the case number 2 of the portal frame, which is having the unequal lag. Okay, so as shown on the screen, okay, this is a typical portal frame is there, having column AB is of having 4 meter length and CD is having a length of 5 meter. All are having a same structural rigidity property, that is EI is constant, I is constant. Span BC is of having 6 meter span. The important thing here is there, till now we have solved the numerical which is based on a pin jointed or a pin supported portal frame, but here uh, the support is having a roller support at point D, and at support A it is having a fixed support. So let us see if this type of variety of the support, okay, comes, then how you will going to analyze this numerical by using the strain energy method. Okay, a horizontal load of 20 kilonewton is also acting at point B. So here DOSI is 4. How 4 will be there? We know that whenever the fixed support is there, so the degree of freedom will be formed as 3, one vertical, one horizontal, and one is moment, like this. Okay, so here whenever the roller support is there, only one reactions will be formed. Okay, so as the support is fixed, so here there will be a no, okay, displacement, or there will be a no moment will be formed, but the degree of freedom is already there, but because of the fixity the column is not subjected to change, okay, its original positions. But as here it is a roller support, so therefore the one vertical reaction we have to calculate as an unknown. Okay, so whenever in portal frame there will be a roller support, then you have to analyze that portal frame for your vertical reactions only. Okay, we know that the known degree of freedom is 3, so 4 minus 3 equal to 1, like this. Okay, now origin we have to consider, portion we have to consider, apply the Castigliano's theorem. Now first of all, in this type of numerical always start from the left hand side, because we have to calculate the unknown from right hand side, because unknown is there on the right hand side, so therefore we have to start the numerical from the right hand side itself, not from the left hand side. Otherwise the calculation become too tedious. So in order to have easy calculations, we have to start the numerical from the right hand side. Okay, so consider the portion D first, then portion DC is considered, origin is D, limit is 0 to 5 is there, EI is EI, and moment is 0, because there is no moment is there is no reactions, or there is no horizontal force is there. Okay, so M is equal to 0, so del M is equal to 0. Now consider the portion C like this. Okay, now here portion C we have to consider, take the section at X here, so CB we have to consider like this, 0 to 6 is there EI, so here VD into X, here VD into X, this is X, and VD we don't know, so VD into X we have to consider, so here del M is X. Then portion B is considered like this, so in B the BA will be considered, so this is BA for this X section is there like this. So 0 to 4 is the limit, EI is EI, so VD into 6, so VD into 6 we have to consider, minus 20 into 4 we have to consider like this. Okay, so here the value is 6, so del M by EI, del M by del V is equal to X dx. So this is the typical equation of the strain energy in the form of integration. Now we have to put the value like this. Okay, and then finally we will get the answer for VD as a vertical reaction is equal to 4.44 kilonewton. Okay, because we are interested in calculating the vertical reaction, okay, which we have defined as a VD. So here by solving the integration, okay, we will get the answer VD is equal to 4.44 kilonewton, and once this VD will get, then we will calculate the value of DC. Okay, so D and C is equal to 0. Okay, bending moment at D and C will be equal to 0. Let us see how it will be 0. This is D, this portion is 0, and at point C also it will be 0, because here there will be no moment, only the bending moment will be formed at point B, I think. Okay, so at point B 4.44 into 6, that is equal to 26.4, and at point A minus 4.44 into 6 plus 20 into 4, that is 53 kilonewton meter. And then finally plot the diagram. Okay, as per the sign convention, whenever the tail portion is there, you have to draw the diagram like this. Okay, now next is analyze the portal frame. Okay, like this. So here roller support is there, and here the vertical, on the vertical column CB, UDL of 30 kilonewton per meter is acting, or 100 kilonewton load is also acting as an eccentric loading. So again DOSI is equal to 4 minus 3, that is equal to 3. Now start the numerical from here, because unknown is creating from point A. So origin is A, AE we have to consider. This, let us consider the point is E. Okay, so first of all cut this section, and here, so first of all take the section here. So VA into X, that is equal to X. Then the second portion is E, limit is 0 to 2, EI is EI. Then VA into X plus 2 minus 100 into X. So 2 plus X will be the answer. Now consider the portion B. So BC will be the origin. Take the section as X here. Okay, so VA into 4 is there, minus 100 into 2 is 200 is there, then minus 30 into X square by 2, that is equal to 4, like this. Okay, now formula for the strain energy is M by EI, del M by del VA into dx. Now put this value. First of all, X value we have to consider. Okay, VA into X value is to be considered. We have to consider del M by del VA. Okay, we have to consider del M by del VA. To VA into X we have to consider here. Then this value, okay, VA into X plus 2 minus 10x minus 100x into X plus 2. Here it will be 100x, not 10x, this is 100x, plus VA into X, VA into 4 minus 200 minus 30x square by 2 into 4, because we are considering M by EI is considered, and del M by del VA is also considered, because this factor is also considered, moment factor is also considered, and M del M by del VA is also considered. So we have to incorporate these two values in particular strain energy equations very carefully. Okay, then we have to solve this integration, okay, by using the calculator, and you have to put the value, okay, and you will get the final answer of VA here, 83.4. okay, and then finally get the value of bending moment diagram. So bending moment at A is equal to 0. Okay, bending moment at E we can calculate, B can calculate, and C can calculate, like this. So final answer is, okay, for C is minus 406.4. So we have to split the diagram into n number of parts so that the diagram can be drawn easily. Okay, so like this we can draw the diagrams. Okay, so this is the another example. Okay, so it was asked in winter 2019. For a portal frame as shown in figure, determine the redundant reactions and draw the bending moment diagram. Okay, so you just see that particular diagram, and I will give you as a part of assignment for your homework. You just draw this diagram, okay, and try to solve this particular numerical. Okay, try to solve this particular numerical for your next lecture. Okay, here what will be the difference is there. Here there is a hinge support, here there is a hinge support, and here it is a fixed support. So here the reaction will be equal to, one is vertical, one is horizontal. Therefore here it will be 3 is there degree of freedom, here 2 is there, so 3 plus 2 5 will be there, and known reaction is 2 3, so 5 minus 3 2. So here 2 unknown will be formed, 2 unknown will be calculated like this. Okay, 2 unknown will be formed. So here you will get the final output in the form of VA and HD. Try to solve this numerical. Okay, we will see the details calculation of this numerical in our next lecture. Okay, so thank you very much for your kind attentions. Thank you.